Good evening, Northeast State Nagamis News viewers kan ajilaga main headlines. Redford assorted terror threat suspect hua opor Delhi te security actum striker diknase. All Nagaland ad hoc teachers group 2015 batch pra regularization process nimite June 30 deadline rakhidishi. Naga Students Federation pra Ministry of Home Affairs pra Vande Mataram opor directive diato against Kurshi. President Donald Trump pra Middle East military forces bishi pothapichte US or Iran majate situation tense soikina jaisi. Intelligence inputs pra Red Fort te terror strike hobule pare koikina janai dia pichte Delhi te thaka important religious or heritage sites khante security actum strict kuri dikna ase. Actum congested Chandni Chowk area ko ekta mandir ase itu target hobule para suspect kurikna jaise. Actum congested Chandni Chowk area ko ekta mandir ase itu target hobule para suspect kurikna jaise. Intelligence sources hisabte Pakistan based terror outfit Lashkar-e-Taiba allegedly Red Fort or Chandni Chowk fale religious jaga thaka khante takhan naga target te rakhi kina ase kote takhan improvised explosive device IED attack korble plan korikna ja bisas ase koshi. Group itu sal February 6 tarik din Islamabad mosque te blast hwani mite budli loise pare aru India te ekdom dangor attack korble plan kori thakibole pare koshi. Kile mane February 6 tarik din Islamabad te hua blast se India or Afghanistan involved thakishe koikna Pakistan Defense Minister Khwaja Asif pra junadikna koishe ki attack te involved thaka terrorist to Afghanistan te pra aha proof hoishe koikna junadishi. Hoilebi India pra suicide attack to strongly condemn korikna allegations kan reject rishi. All Delhi laga sensitive areas te security ekdom bishi kori dikna ase aru surveillance or patrolling loikna jaise. Authorities pra public ki hoshiyar thakibole urge korikina necessary steps sob loikina jaise koikina junadishi. All Nagaland ad hoc teachers group ANATG 2015 batch core committee pra junaishi ki Department of School Education pra written communication diapichte takhan naga choli thaka protesto temporarily all of time nimite suspend korble decision loishe koishi. Decision ituto February 12 tarik 13 or 19 tarik din Commissioner and Secretary of School Education SCERT aru Principal Director logote pra official written letter pabichte loishe koikna junadishi. Matter ito opor emergency meeting loate core committee protesto bhal nimite holte rakhibole resolve korikna department pra incomplete documents nimite issue olai thaka nimite dusra alternative arrangement kuri dibole laga written assurance diato acknowledge kurishe hoilebi committee pra ANATG members laga regularization nimite dusra arrangements to pura complete korbo nimite June 30 tarik 2026 tak deadline rakhidishi takhan warn kurishe ki judi to time dia bitorte iman deri pra regularization permanent kuri dia laga issue choli thakato resolved nakuri dile takhan protesto bishiola intensify kuribo koikna junadishi ja kali choli thaka protesto 14th date hoishi. Naga Students Federation NSF pra Ministry of Home Affairs MHA pra high level official functions or schools khante Indian national song Vande Mataram to national anthem Jana Gana Mana Nakura age kuribule compulsory kurijato against kurishi. Press release te NSF President Mtsai Suding Herang aru General Secretary Kenilo Kent Prajanashi ki order to Naga Manu opor joborjosti kora laga ase koishi junchu pra history, politics or culture hisab nakure koikina junadishi. Article 51A Clause A Nishna constitutional provisions acknowledge korikina Federation janashi ki Naga homeland te authority kunbi cultural nahoile ideological cholaikina jabole joborjosti kuribule naparibo koikina junadishi. NSF pra schools khanke din to Vande Mataram kurikina shuru kurble aru duita national gana aru national anthem bi popular kurble efforts dia opor concern janai dikna state kurishi ki schools to pura likha aru critical thinking promote korbo nimite ase koikina junadishi. Federation pra Naga homeland te thaka schools khante jana gana mana nakura age Vande Mataram compulsorily nakruble warn kurishi takhan bi Nagaland Board of School Education NBSC ke directive ito enforce korikna circular nakruble urge korikna school authorities kun consultation naloikina implement kore ইটুকান এগেইনষ্ট ৱাৰ্ণ কৰিছে NSF ষ্টেট কৰিছে কি এনেকা একশ্যন পৰা নাগা ষ্টুডেণ্টছ খান খুশি নহ'ব কয় কিনা মেম্বাৰ ইউনিটছকে এলাৰ্ট থাকি কিনা অথৰিটিজকে নাগা মানুহ লগা ইউনিক পলিটিকেল আৰু কালচাৰেল ৰাইটছটো হিচাপ কৰি কিনা একশ্যনছ যোনটো পৰা ঝামেলা ওলাব এনেকাটো এভইড কৰিবলৈ আৰ্জ কৰিছে Manipur BJP MLA Wung Zagin Walte 63 years old kun saal 2023 Manipur violence time take mob pra attack korikna jokhom hoishi to Jakali Gurugram like a private hospital te murishi Walte ke February 7 tarik din ICU Churachandpur Medical College Hospital te stabilization nimite admit kurishi koishi take May 4 tarik saal 2023 te tai Chief Minister N Biren Singh pra meeting matato attend korikna talaga ghorte wapas jata mob praktam biya tarika pra attack kora laga ase kotitai bishi jokhom hoy kina daily te 2 sal nishna treatment loikna jai thakishi reliable sources hisabte Manipur laga nutun Chief Minister YM Chan Singh bi New Delhi te central leaders logote lock korble thakato Walte muranimite cancel kurishi koy kina janadeshi Norton Sumi Community Dimapur NSCD pra State Government ke Special Assistance to States for Capital Investment SASCI loan scheme under choli thaka 2-lane Nagaland Foothills Road FHR Construction Phase 2 nimite kam laga order to jaldi issue korble appeal kurishi Chief Minister ke address korikina representation te NSCD Chairman Vikai Yapto pra project laga Phase 1 juntu to Tizit to Khelma connect kore Ito ekdam bhal pra kaam korikna progress hoikina khotom hobole thaka nimite state government ki khushi janadeshe NSCD janashe ki to important infrastructure project pra foothill region se thaka khan nimite bhal icha ani dishe koishe PWD Road and Bridges Minister pra age te project pura to by 2027 khotom korble kotha dia to yad korikna NSCD pra Chief Minister ke Public Works Department Roads and Bridges ke Phase 2 nimite কাম লগা অৰ্ডাৰছ তো ইস্যু কৰিব নিমিতে ডিৰেক্ট কৰি দিবলৈ এপিল কৰিছে NSCD জনাইছে কি এতিয়া ড্ৰাই সিজন খতম নোহোৱা আগে কাম কৰিবলৈ বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট আছে কৈছে এনেকা হইলে কামতে একো দিগদাৰ নহয় কিনা কৰিবলৈ পাৰিব কয় কিনা জনাইছে NSCD পৰা চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ অফিচ তখন লগা মেটাৰ তো পাব্লিক লগা ইন্টাৰেষ্ট নিমিতে চাই দিব কয় কিনা ভাল ইচ্ছা জনাইছে International News Day President Donald Trump ra Middle East se military forces bishi pathakina air strike nimite tayar kuri ase juntu bishi hafta nimite cholibole expected ase itu pra US ar Iran majote situation bishi ola serious ar tense hoikina ase hoilibi ta publicly ki nimite Iran against enka strong action loise to bhalpra deny dikna nai senior White House official pra janaishi ki enka attack launch kora opor administration te thaka sob manu pra support kuri ase enka nohoi koise Advices can be voters can ke government economic issues can nasa nishna bhabna korble dibo mon nai koikna janadeshe cabinet secretaries logote private briefing lote Republican campaign officials janashi ki campaign nimite country laga economy hi sobse opporte hobole lage koikna janadeshe